Ouais, c'est ça, le setup classique. Bon, là, Nico est en train de reprendre le BPA.
L'info a été prise, mais on a déjà déboulé du côté d'Envy. On est sur le bon site, on s'occupe de clear les zones au contact du BP. Nico qui est au contact, qui en prend un premier, Guardian également. Nico qui en prend deux ici sur Hadji. Le GR se passe pas très bien du côté d'Envy et on perd encore un joueur, c'est Happy. Nico est en train de les démolir.
Bah, Nico commence
Et
à son habitude, moins 4.
Voilà.
Hadji est tout seul là, il risque de se faire.
Ouh, c'est dangereux ça. Il y a le soutien qui arrive après, mais il va être vu. C'est bien joué de la part d'Hadji ça.
Je sais même pas s'il va aller chercher plus loin. Bon, il va chercher, il prend un kill direct sur Kyo.
Il n'y a pas de vengeance, il va pouvoir se repositionner. Il est plus ou moins safe, Guardian. C'est bon, il va se faire attraper quand même par Scream. Il a pas eu le temps de se remettre derrière le BP. Et la bombe a été repérée normalement par le sniper phase. La rotation qui devrait être appelée pour aller défendre ce bomb site. L'incendiaire qui est raté, on devrait pouvoir poser la bombe. On va éliminer Hadji qui était low HP ici du côté de Rain. C'est bien fait. On a repéré un nouveau joueur derrière le jaune. Et la reprise s'amorce en 3 contre 3, Lambert.
Ouais, un round là pour l'instant qui est bien entamé quand même pour Envy. Bon, ils ont toujours pas. Ah non, d'ailleurs, ils ont pas posé la bombe. Donc en fait, c'est un peu compliqué.
Ça va se trade en 1 pour 1 cette histoire. Xist se retrouve en 1v2. Attention, le timing était presque bon pour Xist. Mais il devrait pouvoir se faire éliminer par RPK. Très bon premier round armé de la part d'Envy. Ça avait marché tout à l'heure et c'est pour ça que Freeze ça peut payer. Parce que voilà, tu gardes tes lignes sur un BP, c'est pas trop quoi s'attendre. Et ça paye. Nico par contre qui va attraper Hadji dans le main. Hadji qui est allé reprendre sa zone. Au patient. Attention, là on a eu une flash instant là pour permettre à Rain visiblement d'aller chercher son duel. Pendant que Guardian se débarrasse de Scream. Le deuxième round armé se passe beaucoup moins bien à Lambert.
Ouais, là du 1-1 entre guillemets, Hadji s'est fait pique dans sa pause avancée. Il a essayé de changer sa position par rapport à Nico.
Et on va jouer autour de Svent. C'est pas mal joué parce que là on a dû reculer un petit peu, on a laissé de l'espace, il n'y a plus que Carrigan pour défendre, mais il reste 5 secondes là maintenant. Et la bombe est à terre, le round est terminé, quoi qu'il se passe. Même si l'élimination est faite ici sur Carrigan, il y a une vengeance en plus d'existe. Et RPK qui a pris de l'espace dans le mid. Déjà dans la penta. Le coup sniper qui est raté ici par Guardian, il était tout blanc, mais on a pas pris l'élimination. On n'a pas pris l'élimination du côté de Happy. Et ça, c'est la sanction tout de suite après. Nico qui en prend deux de son côté sur la sortie BP. Scream à la vengeance. 2 contre 3. Et Carrigan au backup qui prendra les deux dernières éliminations sur Scream et RPK.
Ah,
C'est vrai que ça stack pour prier.
ils accélèrent le jeu encore une fois.
Il faut sanctionner. Double élimination de Rain. Les premiers duels qui sont pas gagnés ici. On s'empale sur le joueur FaZe. Happy et RPK en 2 contre 5 maintenant. Tout le move imaginé par les joueurs Envy. Et là, il n'y a pas de solution. Hein. Nico qui prend de l'espace encore une fois.
Et j'ai bien l'impression que Envy va faire comme ils ont l'habitude de faire, c'est qu'ils vont continuer leur plan de jeu du début à la fin.
Absolutely. I love this about what FaZe are doing on the CD side. So some people might be like, oh, it's too ultra aggressive, but no, this doesn't allow Envious to get a read on what exactly FaZe are doing. And look at Nico again, self-boosting himself on top of the ticket box. He finds one, almost gets a second kill, but he will be taken down by RPK, who is for 1 point of health. One perfectly timed or perfectly placed nade, and it's going to be done for Happy on the lurk. Doing what he is most infamous for, one would say. Rain, he is aware of this. He's like, there has to be someone coming out from mid. Is Happy trying to get the frag, but Rain is going to drop him, and just like that, 1 by 1 they fall. It's all in Kiyoshima and Scream.
Yeah, they've got a big task to do here, and FaZe are already sneaking in. Karrigan's up close, and they had no idea. Kiyoshima and Scream dropped. But yeah, I mean, FaZe again, they move only 2 players on B this time, so as a result, they get aggressive, try and take some map control. Happy's dead straight away, Guardian getting that shot, but Envy have taken the A site, so there's something. The issue is, Karrigan is just ripping every single player's heads off in the middle of the map. It's only Hadji and RPK. Make that just RPK. And, I mean, yeah, okay, you get a bomb plant, but who cares?
You need a kill at the very least. RPK does get 1 kill.
The way that Nico's been playing. He's done this a couple of times. Going to fall off as Hadji tries to take control. Flash in. Nico just goes to the repeat. And he drops the bomb as well. Envy sending it in straight away. So FaZe have all the information to play with. Look at the mini-map. They are just rotating every man. Envy not even going to fake. They're just going to try and commit off the back of that. And they take control of the site. Hadji moving in. Spots a man in the heaven. It is Exist going down after a trade. Karrigan again. We talk about this aggressive pre-plant play from FaZe. And that does not work out for the second time here. As now it's just 2 players left to retake.
Rain, great positioning from him on top of the barrel, spots at Haji peeking out from quads. And he spots at Kiyoshima as well, not quite able to land a shot, but Guardian finds Happy. He's down to 19 HP though, and Kiyoshima at 47 playing is very cheekily in the smoke. And Guardian's got good read, and this is going to spot on a shadow, and nothing goes the way of Envy as Kiyoshima.
But what will Envy do with this mid control? Because we've seen them unable to take mid this entire map. Where will they split? It looks to be B.
They do have the player towards Sun, and the nade's going to be paired. Full screen by Tachi as well. Karrigan will fall back. Perfectly timed Molotov from his teammate as they come wrapping in towards the B bomb site. And Happy finding Guardian. That's a huge kill. Another flashbang to pop from Karrigan. Doing a great job here, trying to stay alive, but he will fall. Now it's all on Nico and Exist. Just holding the line, just waiting for his teammate to come in before they go for this retake. Bomb's gonna go down.
Kiyoshima just sneaking around the corner. Exist going to find the angle. Nico's dropped a player in the meantime. Exist falling from the sky, and he's going to save the day for.
Just not going down their way, right? 3v2 advantage on the postman, not working on. Fast play coming out here by Carrigan with the dak. He finds a kill onto RPK. Looking for more, finds another one in 15 HP. He is just holding on to the site like a turret. And now just 2 more players remaining in the final round of this first half.
Yeah, I mean, if Screen can get some sick taps here on the site, that'd be nice. But there's the first. Okay, maybe. Second man going to drop him. Scream spraying, not used to that. It's going to be Happy now alone. And Rain's already heard him in mid, running through the smoke. And goodbye, Happy. It's going to be a 14-1 half to FaZe. What a way to kick off the first day. Keo and RPK trying to hold this one off, and Nico, he's looking for this opening kill. There's the tag, but 2 players spotted. The boost comes out. So information now for FaZe, and RPK going to kick it off with a kill, but Guardian trades, and that pinches Keo in the corner. He's stuck back towards his box, but there's no utility to get him out, so he can fight himself to the death, and that he will receive. It's a 2-on-3 now with FaZe on the B site.
Scream and Hadji. Scream tapping away. Actually, it's going to be Hadji's going to get the kill to the bomb. Is dropped out in the open, but it is now a 2v2. And Hadji will find a kill to the Guardian. It's all on Exist. He's low. He's going to get the kill to the Hadji. 1v1 Scream versus Exist. Scream 11 HP. He needs to land a headshot here, and it's going to be Exist who's going to win the duel. Triple kill for him.
The 1D of the round falls out. That's Happy. It's FaZe. Look, they've already got connected. Guardian's already pushed in. This gives FaZe a lot of options. They can split towards either site. They can push in through the CT side. And Happy's already there, dead as well. Rain's opened up in the meantime. And Nico's going to be jumping onto the A site. There are 2 players left to play. And I don't think this one's going to be salvageable.
Kiyoshima, no, never mind. I thought I was just going to say I believe. But Guardian shuts me up and shuts down Envious.